RDX English Learning.
Good morning, buddy. Time to wake up.
5 more minutes, Dad, please.
Come on, it's already 7 o'clock.
Really? I feel like I just slept.
You'll be late for school if you don't get up now.
Okay, I'm getting up.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I had a nice dream.
What did you dream about?
I was flying like a superhero.
That sounds fun. Now go wash your face.
All right, I'm going to the bathroom.
Don't forget to brush your teeth, too.
I won't forget, Dad.
Use toothpaste and brush for 2 minutes, okay?
2 minutes? That feels so long.
It keeps your teeth clean and strong.
Okay, I'll do it properly.
Are you done brushing?
Yes, and my mouth feels fresh.
Good job. Now go change your clothes.
What should I wear today?
It's a little chilly outside, so wear your blue sweater.
Got it. Sweater and jeans?
Yes, that's perfect.
Okay, I'm getting dressed now.
Did you make your bed?
Not yet. I'll do it after dressing.
Don't forget, a clean room starts with a clean bed.
You always say that, Dad.
And it's true every day.
All right, I'm making it now.
That's my boy. Are you ready for breakfast?
Almost. I just need to comb my hair.
Your comb is on the table next to your backpack.
Thanks, Dad. Found it.
Looking sharp, champ. Let's go eat.
What's for breakfast today?
Pancakes and milk, your favorite.
Yay! Best morning ever!
All right, breakfast is ready. Come sit down.
It smells so good, Dad.
Thank you. I made your favorite, pancakes with honey.
Yay! I love pancakes.
Do you want some milk or juice?
I'll take milk, please.
Here you go, a full glass of milk.
Thanks, Dad.
Be careful, it's cold. Don't spill it.
I'll be careful.
So, did you sleep well last night?
Yes, but I woke up once because it was cold.
Oh, I see. Maybe we should use a thicker blanket tonight.
Good idea, Dad.
How are the pancakes?
They're delicious, soft and sweet.
I'm glad you like them. I added a little vanilla this time.
Oh, that's why they taste different.
Do you want some more honey?
Just a little bit, please.
Here you go. Not too much sugar in the morning.
I know, you always say that.
What are you planning to do at school today?
We have a drawing class today.
That sounds fun. What will you draw?
Maybe our house or our dog.
That's a great idea. Remember to color it nicely.
I will. I love using bright colors.
Do you have your lunchbox ready?
Yes, I packed it last night.
Good boy. What did you pack?
A sandwich and an apple.
Perfect. Healthy and simple.
Thanks. I learned it from you.
That's my smart boy. Are you full now?
Yes, I'm done. It was so yummy.
Great. Now, go wash your hands and face.
Okay, I'll be quick.
Then get your school bag ready. The bus will come soon.
Yes, Dad. I'm all ready for school.
Are you almost ready, son?
Yes, I'm just tying my shoes.
Make sure they're tight so they don't come loose.
Okay, I'll double knot them.
Good job. Do you have your backpack?
Yes, it's right here on my bed.
Let's see if you've packed everything.
Sure, let's check together.
Homework?
Yes, it's in the front pocket.
Pencil case?
Got it.
Lunchbox?
Yes, I packed it myself.
Wow, you're getting so responsible.
Thanks, Dad. I'm trying to be like you.
That makes me proud. What about your water bottle?
Oh, I almost forgot it. Let me get it.
See, that's why we double check.
You're right. I have it now.
Do you have your ID card and bus pass?
Yes, they're in my pocket.
Perfect. You're ready to go.
Wait, I need my jacket.
It's a little chilly outside today. Take the blue one.
Okay, I like this one better anyway.
You look great, buddy.
Thanks. I'm ready now.
Don't forget to smile when you meet your teacher.
I always do, Dad.
And listen carefully in class, okay?
Yes, I will.
Remember, learning is fun.
I know. I like learning new things every day.
That's the spirit. The bus will be here any minute.
I can hear it coming.
Give me a hug before you go.
Bye, Dad. See you after school.
Bye, son. Have a great day. And be kind to everyone.
I will. Love you, Dad.
Hey there, buddy. How was school today?
It was great, Dad.
That's good to hear. What did you do today?
We had a drawing class and I made a picture of our house.
Really? That sounds nice. Can I see it?
Sure, here it is.
Wow. You drew our home so well. Even the tree looks real.
Thanks, Dad. My teacher liked it too.
I'm proud of you. Did you show it to your friends?
Yes, they said it was cool.
That's awesome. What else did you learn today?
We learned about animals in science class.
Oh, interesting. Which animal did you like the most?
The dolphin. It's smart and friendly.
Dolphins are amazing. Do you remember one fun fact about them?
Yes, they can talk to each other with sounds.
Correct. You remembered well.
Thanks. I listened carefully.
Did you eat your lunch at school?
Yes, I ate everything. The apple was really sweet.
Good job. You need energy for learning.
That's what you always say.
True. Did you play with your friends during break time?
Yes, we played tag. I ran so fast.
Nice. Did you win?
Yes, I was the last one standing.
Wow, my little champion. You must be tired now.
A little bit, but I'm happy.
Do you have any homework for today?
Yes, just some reading and math.
Okay, we'll do that after you rest for a while.
Sure, I'll take a short break first.
Do you want some water or juice?
Juice, please. Orange juice.
Coming right up. Sit down and relax.
Thanks, Dad. You're the best.
You're welcome, buddy. I'm glad you had a good day.
Me too. I can't wait to tell Mom about it later.
She'll be so happy to hear it. Now finish your juice, and then we'll start homework, okay?
Okay, Dad. I'm ready.
Okay, time for homework. What do we have today?
Just reading and math, Dad?
Great! Let's start with reading. What's the story about?
It's about a rabbit and a turtle.
Oh, the tortoise and the hare.
Yes, that's the one.
Do you remember the moral of the story?
Yes. Slow and steady wins the race.
Excellent! You always remember the important part.
Thank you, Dad. I like that story.
Why do you like it?
Because it teaches us not to give up.
That's a very good reason. Now, can you read the first paragraph aloud?
Sure. Reads slowly. Once upon a time, a rabbit laughed at a slow turtle.
Very good pronunciation. You're improving.
Really? I'm trying to read clearly.
You're doing great. Now, let's move to math. What's the first problem?
It says 8 plus 7 equals what?
Okay, think about it. What's 8 plus 7?
15?
Correct! That's right!
Yay, I got it!
You're getting faster at adding numbers.
That's because we practice every day.
Exactly. Practice makes perfect. What's the next question?
12 minus 5.
What do you think?
That's 7.
Perfect again! You're on a roll today.
Thanks, Dad. Math is fun when we do it together.
I'm glad you think so. Do you have any writing homework?
Yes, I have to write 5 sentences about my family.
That's nice. What will you write?
I have a small family. My dad helps me study. My mom cooks yummy food. We love each other. We play together.
That's beautiful. I love what you wrote about us.
Thanks, Dad. You always help me.
Of course, that's what dads do. Are you finished now?
Yes, all done.
Great job! Let's take a short break before snack time.
Okay, can we have cookies?
Yes, cookies it is.